In this video, I will show you how to connect a GoDaddy email to a Wix website. So first things first, make sure that you're logged into your GoDaddy. And then from in there, you can head over and then just look for the website or domains that you actually own. So for the domains, you can transfer it, you can search for it, or you can also just do it. So once you have your own domain, you should be able to have your own email. Like for example, if you have a domain of the Yara store, so let's search in here for that. If you have a domain just like this one, it should be able to provide you an email. For example, you have drstore.ph, you should be able to have email at drstore.ph. So in order to properly connect that, you can head over right here to your name, and then from in there, head over right here to account settings. You can connect those two together if you want. So we have in here our address, organization, and we have in here email. So head over to your wix.com and then scroll down, click on the settings right around here, and then from in there, just look for the option called business info. Now click on that business info and then you should be able to see in here this page. So just scroll down until you can see some more options. So we have in your email. So what you can do is if it's actually a different email, you can head over and then just make sure to delete it right around here. If you have your own professional email address from your domain, you can head over and add it right here. So for example, you have a domain of trstore.ph, you can head over and then just add it right here. And then once you have added that, you can head over and click on the save option right here in order to save all of it and connect it together.